The product is suitable for paper plastic blister hanging card packaging for small hardware, alkaline batteries, button batteries, glue, stationery, pencil sharpener, eraser correction fluid, solid glue, auto and motorcycle parts, brake pads, wiper blades, daily necessities, shavers, toothbrushes, dental floss, cosmetics lipstick, nail clippers, perfume, medicine, safflower oil, medicated oil, toys, cars, fidget spinners, watches, medical appliances, food, and other products. This machine is suitable for products with half-sealed paper card plus bubble shell blister packaging, such as small hardware, tools, battery stationery, daily necessities, cosmetics, auto, and motorcycle parts, medicine, and food industries. Standard punching area, 370-170 mm. Heat sealing paper card size, 170-400 mm. Mold depth, 38-50 mm. According to different packaging products, the capacity is 600-19500 PCS hour. The above data is subject to customization.